Classical Cryptography, in Times of War. Enigma. Plugboard. The plugboard consisted of 26 sockets for the 26 letters of the alphabet, and cables with plugs on both ends to connect the letters. The plugboard worked the following way. If for instance the key G was pressed, the current ran to the plugboard before it even reached the rotors. If G was not plugged in the plugboard, the encryption continued as already discussed. If G was plugged in, let's say to Q, the current was redirected as if originally Q was pressed. Note that the plugboard and the cables were constructed in such a way that plugging G with Q meant also plugging Q with G. Hence, the plugboard could be used for both encryption and decryption. In the picture, only A and J, as well as S and O, are plugged with each other. The plugboard thus offered an additional possibility to substitute certain letters, while the encryption via the rotors always happened and for all letters. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.